Hello everyone, myself Arun Pratap. I am here to introduce my Simply Data Science series aimed at beginners who are planning to embark on a journey in data science and related domains. There are tons of videos in YouTube and other online platforms on this subject, but I always felt the need for a beginner-friendly ground-up approach in dealing with the subject. I hope this series will be helpful both to beginners to gain a hands on the concept as well as serve as a refresher for people already in this domain and also as a ready reference for people preparing for exams and interviews. I'll be covering the data science related concepts in short videos, 10 minutes or something, spread over different subjects. About myself, I am working in a government organization as an engineer, and I did my BTech from College of Engineering in Electronics Engineering, and later did MCA from IGNO and qualified UGC NET. And currently, I am pursuing Master of Science in Data Science from Chandigarh University. And what sparked an interest in data science in me was a set of courses that I did in Coursera and other online platforms during the 2020 lockdown period. And I did quite a few number of courses as you can see here. And I see myself to be skilled in different programming languages like Python, Java, CPP, SQL, etc. So that's all about me. And I hope my Simply Data Science series will be helpful to you. This is a work in progress, and I consider it as a not for profit hobby project as a give back to the community. Hope you find it useful. Thanks and regards. This is Arun signing off with best wishes to you all in all your endeavors. Thank you all.